So yeah, today we will design this fractal antenna, which look like this. So yeah, so for that we'll bring first substrate, which is having minus ws by 2 to ws by 2, length is 0 to ls, height is minus hs. As of now, we'll create vacuum only 100 by 100, 0.8 mm. So yeah, now we'll go into the polygon, bring polygon into the picture. We'll start with 0 0. Yeah, as if you see here, we are starting from this point, so we need to go in negative axis of x. Y will be same. So I will bring one more parameter, which is x by 2. So x by 2, x value is 1.4. As this width is 1.4 here, you can see. So yeah, now we have to go to the positive axis. X will not change, y will change to x. So yeah, we came here. Now again we have to go in negative direction. So yeah, minus x by 2 minus x. We are not changing y, so y will be same. Now again we need to change y, so y will be 2x now. Now next again we have to come positive axis, right? So minus x by 2, this will be constant. Yes. So yeah, you can see here we have came till this point. Now we have to go upward. Upward means y is going to change. This will be 3x. Then again we need to increase x because we have to go in negative direction. Y will be same. So yeah, here you can see we came till this point. Now we have to go upward. So upward means x will be same, y will change. Right, now we have to go towards negative x-axis. So again minus x by 2 minus 2x. Here it will be same as a 4x. Now we have to come down, right? So x will be same, minus x by 2 minus 2x. Here it will be 3x. Now again we have to go in negative direction. So minus x by 2 minus 3x. Here x will be same. Now again we have to go in positive x-axis. So minus x by 2 minus 3x. Here it will come 4x. So yeah, you can see here till this point we came. Now we have to come here. So we have to come here. Now minus x by 2, sorry, minus x by 2 minus 4x. X will be same here. So yeah, click on the OK. Now here you can see we have created this half portion, right, till this point. If you see rest of the portion is just replica of it or mirror image of it. So with the help of this 1/4 part, we can bring all our model. So yeah, so as I'll hide this. Now if you see here, I'll bring here UW coordinates. Once I take the mirror image of it along your axis, the 50% will be done. 50% of the lower part. So now here you can see. So this part we have created. Now we need to create this and this one. So if you see, I can just bring from here to here, just Control T operation. For that we need to select use translate. Just click a copy of, no, we don't need copy. Just click on the OK. Sorry. We need a copy of it. So yeah, translate, copy, click on the OK. So yeah, if you see here, it is at some angle, right? So we need to rotate this also from here right? From here, okay, before that you need to bring UW coordinates. Then you can use the rotation operation. So yeah, now this should be 300 degree. Then click on OK. So yeah, now again we need same copy on this axis. So with the help of again same rotation operation, sorry, mirror image operation, we can bring this into other side. Just click a copy of it, click on the OK. So yeah, you can see here from this paper the 50% is done, right? Below part has been created. Now we need upper part. So what we can do, we can select any point, select all the lines, use the operation called mirror, take mirror along v-axis. Now this time we need v-axis. Click on the preview, click on the OK, click on OK. So yeah, now you can see our structure is created. Okay, same structure is created with very easy way. So yeah, now this is just a line, right? These are created with the help of lines. So we need to make these lines into 3D. For that, you can use the operation called cover curve, and you can select all your covers in the sense line, and just put enter. Now you can see here something like this structure has been created. Then it seems sheet in the sense in a 2D. Now we need to create this one into 3D. You can see here there is no thickness, so it is in 2-dimensional. So for creating 2D structure into 3D, there is operation called solid thicken sheet. So for that, you just need to put HC, that is the height of the conductor. Click on the preview, 35, click on OK. Now you can see here it has been converted into 3D. Only thing is it should be in copper. So by double click on it, you can change the material. From here you can bring PEC, click on OK. So once I do show all, so you can see our structure is created. Yeah. So now we just need now slots. So yeah, for slots, first we need to bring UW coordinates. Again, with the help of polygon, we can create again slot. Sorry. So with the help of polygon, we can create here. Now you have to start from 0, 0. Again, same way we go. Okay. Minus x by 2. Y-axis we are not changing. I can zoom it here. X by 2 we are not changing because we are creating this plus shape at the center now. So I'm doing polygon with this much. Then I can rotate like that. I'll try to divide. Okay. Or else you can go with the block also. Okay. So yeah, now next is you have to going upside, right? So yeah, x will be same, y will be plus x. Again, now we have to go negative x-axis. This y will be same. Now we have to go positive y. So yeah, it will come to 2y. So yes, now next will be minus x by 2 only, because now we have to go in positive x-axis. Right? We came till this here. Now we have to go upstairs. Upstairs means y-axis will be increased to 3x. Now again, half portion we have to go in positive axis. Means 0, 0. Oh, sorry. Not 0, it will be 3x. Yeah, click on OK. Now we have created again 50% of that plus sign. So we can use the operation called mirror along y axis. Click on the preview, click on OK. Yeah. Now, as it is just a curve, we need to make solid. So for that, cover curve, select your both this one, double click on OK. Your sheet will be sheet 2D is created. Now we need to make it a 3D. So from here you can bring 3D structure. Click on HC. Click on OK. But it will be in some other vacuum. So you need to change material. From here you can change to PSA. As I'm doing it in fast, you can speed down and check whatever the operation we are covering. So yeah, it is going. So okay. As of now, we need to make it in lower direction, right? So yeah, you can change it here. In place of inside, you can put outside. So yeah, you can see here it went inside. So yeah, this plus is created. Now we have to create this 2 to 4, 5, 6, 6 same structures. So for that, what you can do is you need to translate this first along y-axis will cover. Okay. So yeah, but we just need y-axis, so x value will be 0 here. If you see your preview, it will be centrally aligned. Click on the OK. So we should select not this point we need to select. Then you can translate, don't along y, it will be only along x. Put a copy of it also. Click on OK. So you can see here, this has been created, right? It is along this axis. So same on top side also we need to create. For that, you have to select now first top point. Again, this one. Then select your structure. Don't unselect this because we just need along y-axis. So x-axis, you don't want any change. So make it at a 0. A copy of it. Click on OK. So yeah, now you can see this two is being created. Now we have to create along this axis also. So yeah, this is the center point of this. So we will align one center point. Now we need to rotate our structure, right? So this needs to be rotated so that at 60 degree, I think. Yeah, 60 degree. So now we have to do over here. So yeah, we know the coordinate difference. So we just need to translate these at that coordinate. We have the coordinate value is 7.63 and minus 4.4. Just put a copy of it, click on OK. You can see it has been created, but we need to rotate it at 60 degree. Okay. But yeah, it's 360 minus 60 means 300 degree. So yeah, this is done. So now same, if you see this paper, we have to create in all rest of the directions also. But yeah, easy way to do that is just select the center point, bring UW over there, then select whatever we have to copy. Then now you can see here. Now here, if we want, we can do the mirror image along U axis. So if you come here, just click here one, click on the preview, click a copy of it, then click on OK. You can see both is been created. Now if we have to create in here in these two location, what we can do now, we'll select both and we'll do the mirror image along V axis. You can see here. If you do V axis in single go, we can create for all four. Just click on OK. Sorry. Yeah, now you can see here all 6 has been created, like whatever it is shown in this image. If I do show all, now you can see here link text. Yeah, you can see here everything is created properly. Now what we have to do, we have to subtract it, right? So for that, select the bigger one, use the operation called subtract, Then select all rest of your, click on enter. Show all. I can see it has been created properly. Now we need to design this feeder network. Okay. So yeah, now we'll design the feed. So yeah, this will be feed. Width will be width of the feed by 2, because from center negative half, positive half we have to go. So yeah, width of the feed by 2. Length will be 0 to LF. Length of the feed. Height will be height of the conductor in positive axis. Click on the OK. What is the width of the feed value? Okay, we'll put 0.5 as of now. Length will keep 5. Click on the OK. I can see feed is done. So yeah, now we'll put width of the substrate is 45 mm. Length of the substrate is 44.92. Width of the feed is 2.4 mm, and the length of the feed it's 10.15 mm. Then just upgrade. So yeah, now this to be shifted there, right? So select that point, select the end of the feed, just translate with the help of Control T. Just click on the OK. So yeah. So now these two are inside, right?
ये प्लस साइन नहीं है सर.
So yeah, if you see here, this structure is not there. So yeah, we can remove that by using operation. By before that, we have to select both the faces. Sorry. By pressing F from the keyboard, you can select both the faces of that extended arms. This extended arm. Then here it operation called modify locally. So for that, you can just put that extra inside your model. So yeah, if you move this now, it will come down and down. So now you can see it is straight line. Just click on the OK. Now yes, this structure is over here, right? So select both the points, use the translate operation. It needs to move only along y-axis, so this value will be 0. Click on OK. Now yeah, now it has been correctly designed, right? Just we will unite our feed with the patch by operation called Boolean add. So yeah, now for first simulation, we'll put the full ground by using extrude operation. Here you can give height of the conductor. Just click on the OK. Then next we can select the face where we have to excite. Then come here, home, macros, solver, port, calculate port extension coefficient. Just put calculate, construct, and close. So yes, you can see it has been done. So yeah, if you see the simulation frequency, it is from 3 to 6. So we'll put start frequency 0 and frequency somewhere around 9. Once you do that, the airbox will be created depending upon the frequency range. Then we can start our simulation. Thank you.